Welcome. If you're tired of your phone vibrating every time someone likes or comments on photos of you on Instagram, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you a quick and easy way to disable those vibrations, so you can enjoy a little more peace and quiet without missing any important notifications. Let's get started. First, grab your phone and head over to your device's main settings. This isn't the Instagram app yet. Look for the settings icon on your home screen or app drawer. Once you're in settings, scroll down and tap on apps. This section lists all the apps installed on your phone. Find Instagram in the list and tap on it. If you have a lot of apps, you can use the search bar at the top to quickly locate Instagram. Next, tap on notifications. This is where you control how Instagram alerts you about different activities. You'll see a variety of options here, but we want to dig a little deeper. Look for notification categories and tap on it. This will show you a detailed breakdown of all the types of notifications Instagram can send. Find the one labeled likes and comments on photos of you. Tap on this option to open its specific settings. Now, you'll see several toggles and options. Look for the Vibrate option. This is what causes your phone to buzz every time there's a like or comment on a photo of you. Simply toggle off the Vibrate switch. That's it. From now on, your phone will stay silent when you get these notifications, but you'll still see them in your notification bar. To recap, you just need to go to your phone settings, tap on apps, then Instagram, notifications, notification categories, likes and comments on photos of you, and finally, turn off the Vibrate option. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple tech tips. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a vibration-free Instagram experience.